I'm Celia Evans, and I am a professor of ecology here at Paul Smith College.
I'm Becky Sutter, and I'm an associate professor.
Leanne Sporn, and I'm a professor of biology.
Jory Favreau, I'm a professor of wildlife biology.
When you come to Paul Smith, it's pretty unlimited what you can try or what you can do here.
I think our students tend to be very down-to-earth, very connected to the natural world.
It's just so much fun working with them. They have such excitement, enthusiasm, passion. They love being here. They love what they do.
This is wildlife techniques. It's where you can learn about different tribes and how to handle the animals correctly and ethically.
They seem to want to learn both in the classroom and out of the classroom. They sort of want to live and breathe their education, and I think we do a really good job of offering that to them here.
It's very interesting studying hydrology and the formation of different types of soils, especially up here in the Adirondacks. We have a surprising variety.
Come out and they say how wonderful it is to be out here this morning, and they're absolutely thrilled, and that kind of passion is just fun to work and be around. Yeah.
It is hard to put into words what the Adirondacks, what this place, what this campus can do. I think it's transformative. I think it changes lives.
Field work, the fact that we're located in the almost dead center of this huge nature preserve in the Adirondack Park is absolutely key.
I've done like a couple projects working with some like my fish and wildlife professors, going out taking like samples out in the field.
Martha Reben called this place the Healing Woods. This is definitely a place to heal and grow. You can find yourself here for sure.
Whenever I go outside and I'm measuring or examining variables to answer one question, I come up with 100 other questions.
Being a Smitty kind of just means you have this deep connection to the environment and you have this understanding of how complex it really is.
Why does a bear decide to walk down the ridge instead of over to the next valley?
The ideas are all contextualized in a physical location.
Why does a snowshoe hare move to that patch of coniferous trees as opposed to some other patch? And so that's the kind of thing that I like to think about a lot with my students.
We were chosen to be involved in this study with USGS because we do both fisheries work here and because we have the ability to do molecular biology.
We just walk out and each group of students can have their own wetland to work in.
With our new sustainability studies, we're doing things that not a lot of other places do, and we do it well.
Any personal connections I have or professional connections I have help hook our students up.
Some connections come about because of our alum. So for instance, there is a conservation officer in Idaho, and lots of our students want to be conservation officers, who's a Paul Smith alum, and he asked if he can come here and recruit.
And so the work that I do in my field brings those opportunities to the students.
A lot of people from outside of Paul Smith send job announcements to me because I've met them through my profession, and they also know the reputation of Paul Smith College.
It's all here. It's the whole package.